Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to fix OmeTV mic not working. So basically what you'll have to do is simply go to your settings. So you have to simply go to your settings of your browser and then simply search for privacy and security here on the left side. And then here you have to simply go to site settings and then simply click on OmeTV. And then here you have to simply go to microphone and then simply make sure to allow the microphone, and that's all you have to do basically. Now go back to OmeTV and then you're gonna have to simply click on this reload the button, and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.